Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. I'm Hats, and today I will be making a custom channel banner for my most recent 3 subscribers. Want a chance to be in my next video? Make sure to subscribe and you might get chosen. But without further ado, let's get started. Alright, the most recent subscribers, the first 3 that are listed is Catleva, Mark Z Ghost, and Jujitsu.
Let's do this.
Alright, this channel is pretty cool. They got 1,430 subscribers, which is really good. And they make edits in Unreal. I mean, I hope you're real. Anyways, let's see the most popular video. Only 158 views. I wonder how they got that many subscribers. Let's check out the shorts. Wow, that is a lot of views. That's more than all my views combined, I'm pretty sure. 352,000 views on one short. That's pretty cool. It seems to be about Blox Fruits, which I can kinda tell this person posts Roblox content. So their channel banner's pretty empty right now, but let's see if we can learn anything more about them. Custom cape, stay humbled. So maybe we'll put stay humbled and then like a cat with Catleva in like small words that says stay humbled. I think that's a good idea. Let's get started. Alright, so first we got our template on, and I just got this off of Google, but let's check if this is the correct size. I'm gonna import one of my old channel banners, which I don't use anymore, but it was the perfect size. So let's see. Here, so you can see through. Yeah, okay. So the template seems to be correct, because like those letters, hats, they fit inside the template box. So I think we could trust the template. And let's get started. So the first thing we need is a background. Okay, I've found a background and I think I can make this work. So next we want to find like a cat avatar or something to go along with their username, which is Catleva. Alright, I found this image on Google and I'm pretty sure I can make this work. Alright, next we want to get some text. And to do that, let's go into Photopea. In Photopea, we're just going to make a new project. We're going to want a transparent background because we're just making text. And in Photopea, you just want to put in my thumbnail pack, link to the video in the comments, and link to the drive in the comments also. This thumbnail pack works in both Photopea and Photoshop, and it's really helpful when making thumbnails, especially for text. And I'll show you why. The Roblox thumbnail pack, and look at this. If we go to text, oh, we don't want a background. Let's turn off background. We go to text styles. Then we can like choose a text that we want, and it doesn't really matter, but I'm just gonna go with this one. We're gonna change the text to Catlover and the username Catleva, but I'm not gonna add the numbers because it makes the name seem too bulky. So we'll just do that. What we can do is make it better by adding some gradients. And I think they would want a blue and white gradient because of their banner before, so let's do that. Alright, let's change this color to a bluish. Alright, I think I'm happy with that. Alright, I just downloaded it and let's put it into Canva. Alright, it's in Canva and I think I'll put it somewhere like here. And then let's add in the stay humbled. Alright, I think this font looks a lot like this font, or at least close to it. And in their cape, they use red and white, so I think I'll do that too. Alright, I think I'm happy with that, so let's put it into Canva. Alright, now we're in Canva. I actually want to like layer the text a little bit. Alright, I think I'm happy with the text now, so let's fix the background. Let's try this one. This one I use in a lot of my thumbnails. It adds a nice little texture to it, which I really like. And I want this Catleva to pop out a little more, so. Alright, I think I'm done with this one, so let's save it and let's move on to the next one. Okay, and our very next person is Marky Z Ghost, so let's check out their channel. Now again, another channel with a high amount of subscribers, 1,260 subscribers, only 4 videos, so I'm not sure. Do they have a famous video or something? Okay, they have one video that got 60k likes, and it seems to be about Gacha Life, and their banner's pretty empty, and I think I have an idea of what we can do here. Okay, they clearly like purple, so we'll add a lot of purple and some Gacha Life avatars or something like this into it. Alright, I don't know if they're a dude or a girl, but it says Mark, so I assume that's a guy. So I'm gonna choose a guy character. Alright, I was searching on Google trying to find Gacha Life boy purple characters, and this was like the first one that popped up, so I'm gonna use it. Alright, so I want that person kind of over there, but I forgot. Let's find a background first. Alright, this galaxy background seemed pretty cool, so I'm gonna be using that. And their name is Marky Z Ghost, so let's add in that text. Okay, now looking at it, I really like this. I don't know why, but it's just like perfect to me. So yeah, as you can see, this little rectangle over here is where every device can see. So I kind of want this character to be inside this box, so let's make him a little smaller. So I'm just gonna keep it like this. So let's save this and move on to our final person of the day. Okay, for our final channel, guys, we're doing Jujitsu. And they're a smaller channel with 344 subscribers, but they don't seem to have any channel art, so we can fix that.
Much later.
If you guys would be ever so kind to comment down below what I could do better. If you do not know, I edit my videos, record them, make the thumbnails, everything by myself. So I'm like not particularly good at a single thing. So any tips would help me out a lot. And make sure to subscribe if you want a chance to be in my next video. Let's see if someone famous can subscribe, and hopefully I can make a banner for you. 99.5% of you guys are not subscribed. I'm trying to make $1 off of YouTube, but I need 4,000 watch hours, and I only have 633. So you watching this video, getting this far, means the world to me. I really appreciate that. That is all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. Also, tell me what you would want your banner to look like, because I'm kind of just going into these projects with no ideas really, because I don't know, these channels, I don't know what they want. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.